Let us start the class. Okay. Good afternoon to all of you. I will be taking your vital signs. Okay. Edina temperature loislo hoine. So today we'll start with pulse. Okay. In vital signs, I think in physiology and anatomy also you will get the same thing. In vital signs, ki ase temperature, pulse, respiration, and last BP. Okay. Whenever we ask you what are the vital signs, you should say first temperature, then pulse, then respiration, then blood pressure serially. Okay. So it pulse likha. Pulse likha. PULSE pulse. Practicals hoy. Okay. PSM practicals. Theory no hoy. PSM practicals. Okay. The topic is upon pulse. PULSE pulse. Write down the definition. Pulse, write down the definition, huh? Definition likha, definition.
PSM class name, ma'am.
PSM practicals.
Okay.
You have to write down in a practical copy. I told you before also. Okay. Pulse likha. Pulse is the.
Okay, ma'am.
Likha. Pulse is the.
Yes, is the.
Pulse is the palpable. P-A-L-P-A-B-L-E. Palpable. Palpable. P-A-L-P-A-B-L-E. Palpable. Bounding of the. Palpable bounding of the. B-O-U-N-T-I-N-G. Bounding of the blood flow.
Yes.
Palpable bounding of the blood flow. B-L-O-O-D. Blood flow. Noted at various rates of the body. Noted at various rates of the body. Noted at various rates of the body. B-O-D-Y, body. Rates of the body. Where the artery is near the...
Areas of pisot ki koise?
Various rates of the body. Rates. R-A-T-S. Rates. Participants बहुत common है नोटा माना है rates RATS rates of the body. Rates of the body where the artery is near the surface. Where the artery is near the surface. Where the artery is near the surface and passes over the body. Surface S-U-R-F-A-C. S-U-R-F-A-C, surface, and passes over a and passes over a bone, B-O-N-E, bone, where blood is pumped into the arteries. Where blood is pumped into the arteries. A-R-T-E-R-I-S, arteries. Okay, and you know arteries, it carries oxygenated blood. Okay, I'm just telling you, arteries carries oxygenated blood, aru veins carry deoxygenated blood. Okay, arteries are what? These are blood vessels. Okay, that carries blood from the heart to different parts of the body. To come by arteries. Okay, over a bone, when blood is pumped into the arteries by the contraction of the contraction C-O-N-T-R-A-C-T-I-O-N, contraction of the left ventricle. By the contraction of the left ventricle. L-E-F-T, left ventricle. V-E-N-T-R-I-C-L-E, of the left ventricle. Change the paragraph and write down normal pulse rate in an adult. Normal pulse rate in an adult is about normal pulse rate in an adult, A-D-U-L-T. Normal pulse rate in an adult is about normal pulse rate in an adult is about 70 to 80 beats per minute. 70 to 80 70 huh? 70 to 80 beats per minute.
Yes, ma'am.
Itu hoy tumar normal pulse rate. Okay, normal pulse rate is in between 70 to 80 beats per minute. Tar pisot you write down. Characteristics of pulse. Characteristics of pulse. Characteristics of pulse. CHA-RAC-TE-RISTICS. Characteristics of pulse. Write down. Pulse may have characteristics of. Pulse may have characteristics of. Pulse may have characteristics of rate, RAT, rate. Pulse may have characteristics of rate, RAT, rate, comma, rhythm, RHY-THM. RHY-THM, rhythm, comma, volume, 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 comma, tension, 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 and equality. Tension and equality. EQUALITY, equality. Full stop. Tar pisot tolot write down rate, RAT, rate. Rate. Put a dash and write down. Rate is the number of pulse. Rate is the number of pulse. Rate is the number of pulse. Pulse is the number of, rate is the number of pulse beat in a minute, full stop. The average pulse rate, the average pulse rate, the average pulse rate. Can you hear me? Nawaz, can you hear me? Hello?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, am I audible? More network
Hello?
बहुत बेया जी.
Hi, ma'am. बहुत बेया.
Oh. Likhisa rate is the number of pulse beat in a minute, full stop. The average pulse rate of a young adult is, the average pulse rate of a young adult is 72 beats per minute. 72 beats per minute. Full stop. What does it mean? That the normal range is between 70 to 80 beats per minute, but into in 1 minute. Okay, we are adult. Okay, in adults, at a minute or 72 times our heart beats. Okay, it means to say that normal range kiman hoy? Normal range is between 70 to 80 beats per minute. Into at minute or in at minute 72 times our heart beats. Okay, at a minute or. Into normal rate hudile, you have to say 70 to 80 beats per minute. Next, you write down full stop. Common variations in heart rate may be, common variations in heart rate, common variations in heart rate, common variations in heart rate may be tachycardia, 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 that is pulse rate above, that is pulse rate above 100 beats per minute. Tachycardia at the abnormality hoy, okay? And during this abnormality ki hoy, what happens is that in a The normal range is between 70 to 80. Kintu jodi it goes above.
डब्बा पप्पा लगे
শুনি পাই আছে নে?
না মেম
এতিয়া ঠিক আছে অকমান?
একো শুনা নাই মেম হেল্ল' মেম
এতিয়া ঠিক আছে নে নাই?
হেল্ল'
Yes, hello.
মেম
Nipen kwa? Tachycardia to likha. Vanita, am I audible?
হেল্ল' মেম
Chiki asno mo network etia na kene kwa?
হেল্ল' হেল্ল' মেম একো শুনা নাই
Etia o.
এতিয়া আহিছে
ঠিক আছে. Common variations in heart rate may be tachycardia. Likhisa no tachycardia. TACHYCARDI. Tachycardia. That is pulse rate above 100 beats per minute. Okay, above 100 beats per minute hole tachycardia.
yes ma'am
Okay, normal range 70 to 80 hoy, and if it goes above 100 it is known as tachycardia. Okay, number 2 likha bradycardia. Number 2 likha bradycardia. Bradycardia, BRADYCARDIA, bradycardia. You write that is pulse rate below 60 beats per minute. Pulse rate below 60 beats per minute. Pulse rate below 60 beats per minute. So jodi tumar tolat gusi jay, okay, if it's 60 hole it means bradycardia. Okay,
okay ma'am.
then you write down apical. See, I will show you some of the there are total of 9 sites, okay, for checking blood pressure. Sorry, pulse. There are 9 sites. Okay, let me show you the 9 sites. Can you see the screen?
yes ma'am
Yes, ma'am.
Arey. So these are the 9 sites for checking pulse. Okay, to upor to this is the temporal. Here in between your neck, it is known as carotid. Okay, then here in your chest, it is known as apical pulse. Okay, then here in between your this forearm here, it is known as brachial. Okay, and this side where we should check normally, it is known as radial pulse. Okay, then this side is the femoral pulse. Then popliteal will be behind the knee. Okay, posterior tibial is here, and lastly the dorsal pedal, it is here. So all total of 9 sites. Tomorrow check in your own bodies. You can check when you see here tick tick tick. You will feel some kind of beating. That is your temporal pulse. Okay, and here also you will get beating. It's known as carotid. This is the brachial, radial. Okay, and in between your chest you will get apical. Here you will get femoral. When behind your knee you will get the popliteal. Tarpisot posterior tibial and the dorsal pedalis, or you can say dorsalis pedis. Okay, you will have to draw this diagram in your practical copies. Bujhi paisa?
okay ma'am
See, if you have problem for few days, my network is very bad. Okay, if you want later after everything is over, I will repeat the class. Okay.
okay ma'am
So those were the 9 sites. So those 9 sites, what I will do, I will give you in your WhatsApp tomorrow. Okay, in your practical copies. Then you write down After bradycardia, then you write apical pulse. Write down apical pulse. And then you write rate should be checked. Rate should be checked when, WHEN, when tachycardia or bradycardia is observed in a patient. Rate should be checked when tachycardia or bradycardia is observed in a patient. Tachycardia means, what is tachycardia? Mukhtaruddin, Laskar, Mukhtaruddin. Nawaz, what is tachycardia?
Ma'am, when the heart rate is about 100 beats per minute.
Above kiman?
About 100 beats per minute.
Above, no,
100.
above. Whenever the
Above,
Okay.
above.
yes, okay, above.
Above 100 beats
Our
per
normal
minute.
range kiman hoy?
72.
72?
80, ma'am.
70 to 80
Yes,
Ma'am,
70
beats
to
per
80
minute.
beats per
Are
minute.
in 1 minute in an adult,
Yes.
okay, like you and me. In an adult, at a minute, how many times does it beat normally?
72
ma'am.
times.
Yes, 72. And what is bradycardia? Bradycardia mane?
60 beats
60
per
degree
minute.
beats or tolot.
Tolot.
60
Okay, below
or tolot.
60 beats per minute is known as bradycardia. Aru sides kimanta ase? What are total sides?
9 size, ma'am.
Yes, 9 sides. ঠিক আছে? All this I will give you in your WhatsApp. Okay, you check it out. Okay. তাৰপিছত you write down factors causing variations in pulse rate. So we'll learn what are the factors that cause the increase and decrease in pulse rate. Okay. Factors causing variations in pulse rate. Factors causing variations in pulse rate. Okay. Number 1, you write down age. Age. Number 1 factor is age. Boyok. Okay. Age. Write down pulse rate decreases normally with the advancement of age. But in old age, this may be due to this may be due to a weak heart. This may be due to a weak heart, H-E-A-R-T, heart, or medications. Weak heart or medications. MEDICATIONS, medications. Full stop. Tarpisot, you write pulse rate in various age groups is given below. Pulse rate in various age groups is given below. Pulse rate in various age groups is given below. BLOW below. Tarpisot, make a box. At a box banwa, okay, and put 2 columns. First column you write down age, and the other side you write down pulse rate. One side you write age and the other side you write down pulse rate. Number 1, in age you write down newborn. Number 1, newborn, NEWBORN, newborn. And on the other side you write down 130 to 140 beats per minute. So you can see that in old age, okay, in old age, it will go on decreasing, but in newborn, it is quite high. That is 130 to 140 beats per minute. Then number 2, you write down first year. Number 2, you write down first year. FIRST, first year. Then you write on the other side pulse rate 115 to 130 beats per minute. 115 to 130 beats per minute. 115 to 130 beats per minute. Then number 3, second year. Number 3, you write down second year. SECOND, second year. Then on the other side, you write 100 to 115 beats per minute. 100 to 115 beats per minute. 100 to 115 beats per minute. Then number 4, third year. THIRD, when the child will grow in age. Okay, 1 year, 2 year, 3 years. So third year, you write down 90 to 100 beats per minute. 90 to 100 beats per minute. 90 to 100 beats per minute. Then number 5, you write down 4 to 10 years. 4 to 10 years. 4 to 10 years, you write down 80 to 90 beats per minute. 80 to 90 beats per minute. 80 to 90 beats per minute. Then you write 10 years to adult. 10 years like adult, okay? 10 years to adult, you write down 70 to 80 beats per minute. 10 years to adult, 70 to 80 beats per minute. The last one, you write down old age. OLD, old age, AGH. Old age, you write down 60 to 70 beats per minute. 60 to 70 beats per minute. So you can see in newborn, basi asile, okay, first year, second year, third year, it will go on decreasing. Okay, and in adult, it is 70 to 80. Again, in old age, it decreases from 60 to 70 beats per minute. Okay, so highest is newborn. Okay, the horu babies. Okay, the newborn babies, and it decreases slowly through age. Okay, and old age, you can see it is the least. Okay, that is 60 to 70 beats per minute. Okay, am I clear? Number 2, you write down exercise. After age, number 2, you write down exercise. Exercise. Then you write short-term exercises increases. Short-term in exercises increases the pulse rate. Short-term exercises increases the pulse rate. Full stop. Oh, sorry, comma. But long-term exercises strengthen the. But long-term exercises strengthen the heart muscles. Strengthen the heart, H-E-A-R-T, heart muscles, M-U-S-C-L-E-S muscles, causing pulse rate less than the normal heartbeat rate. Causing pulse rate less than the normal heartbeat rate. Full stop. Rest and sleep decreases the heartbeat. Rest and sleep. Rest, R-E-S-T, rest and sleep decreases the heartbeat. Rest and sleep decreases the heartbeat. Number 3, write down. Number 3, a woman's pulse rate. A woman's, W-O-M-E-N'-S. A woman's pulse rate is above 5 beats faster than a man. Is above 5 beats faster than a man. That means in comparison to man, women, okay, we have 5 times more pulse rate. Okay, means it beats more faster than men 5 times. About 5 times faster. Next, you write down anxiety. Number 4, you write down anxiety. A-N-X-I-E-T-Y, anxiety. Then you write anxiety increases the pulse rate. Anxiety increases the pulse rate, R-A-T rate. Then next, number 5, you write down medications. Number 5, medications, M-E-D-I-C-A-T-I-O-N-S, medications. Put a dash and write down certain diseases such as certain diseases such as hyperthyroidism, HYPER, hyperthyroidism, THYROIDISM. Hyperthyroidism means when the thyroid increases. Okay, when the thyroid glands increases, it is known as hyperthyroidism. THYROIDISM, hyperthyroidism. Cardiomyopathy, cardiomyopathy, CARDIO, cardiomyopathy, MYOPATHY, cardiomyopathy increases the heart rate. Cardiomyopathy increases the heart rate, RAT rate. Full stop. Number 6, you write down hemorrhage. Number 6, you write down hemorrhage. Hemorrhage, HAEMORRHAG, hemorrhage. Hemorrhage means bleeding. Okay, scientifically means medically it is known as hemorrhage, or commonly it is known as bleeding. Okay, then you write loss of blood increases. Loss of blood increases the pulse rate. Loss of blood increases the pulse rate. Whenever you will have greater amount of blood loss from the body, your heart rate will increase. Okay. Number 7, you write down position. Number 7, position, POSITION, position. Put a dash and write down. Pulse rate is higher. Pulse rate is higher in a standing position. Pulse rate is higher in a standing position, standing, STANDING, standing position, than in a sitting position. Than in a sitting position. Than in a sitting position, and also higher in a sitting position than in a lying down position. And also higher in a sitting position than in a lying down position. So whenever you sit, okay, whenever you stand, okay, your pulse rate is higher. Whenever you sit, your pulse rate is higher than the lying down position. That means in the resting position, our pulse rate is always low. It's always decreased. Okay. So all these notes, I will my network is very bad. Okay, so I will end the class here, and all these notes I will give it to you. Okay.
Network.
Thank you.